Hey Mustangs, it's the Dungeon Master, and I'm here to just give you a little tip on creating a table. Since we're working in Canvas, sometimes it might be useful to create a table to fill out your answers. And if you don't already know how to do that, I want to show you how right now. Um, here, I'm in an assignment. I've already clicked my Submit Assignment button, so we get this box that we're working with. Um, you can see all of the menu items. These are formatting. Some of you have been turning in text that's in different colors or putting background colors on it, making it really attractive. I always like that. It's never required, but it's, I enjoy that. You can also center or adjust the edges, how you want your stuff to line up. You can use bullet points. You can change the font size. There's lots that you can do. Now, in this case, I want to show you how to create the table. So we're doing in this lesson, we're doing a KWL chart. So I'm going to click on the table icon here, right below it. Now I'm not clicking yet, okay, but I'm just highlighting, I'm hovering over this word table. And as you can see to my right, it creates a matrix. And this is the easy part, actually. It allows me to choose what I'm going to do. I'm not clicking, I'm just hovering. And I can actually, make the size of my table pretty much any size. This one would be 7 by 9. You look down the bottom of just below all the blue boxes, you'll see the 7x9. That means the table is 7 cells across by 9 cells down. In this particular case, a KWL chart, we just need it to be 3 by 2. So again, I still haven't clicked on anything. I'm just hovering here. Once I get lined up, that's how I want it to be. I want it to be a 3 by 2. Now I click. Okay, it creates it for me. And so in my top cell here, I'm going to put my letter K. I've capitalized it. I think that's a good thing to do. There, and I put a K, a W, and an L. Now I'm not really happy with the way this looks, and so I'm going to drag, select and drag over, and I want to center these. So I'm coming up here, align, center. If I want them to be this way, I can click this button. If I want it to go all the way to the other side for some reason, do that. Here I'm just going to center it. Okay. I also want these letters to be bold, so everything's still got it highlighted. Make it bold. And I want them to be larger than 12. 18. I just click anywhere else, and there I have my KWL chart. In this case, I'll say, what do I know about Australia? Well, kangaroos come from, what do I want to know? How many people, and then L comes later. If I've learned it, I'm going to indicate that. Now, if you make a table and you want to make some changes, there are these buttons that pop up that let you make some changes. That's a little more complicated, and you can experiment on your own if you want. But I just wanted to show you how to do that. And so if you're not satisfied just copying my table, you can make your own. Okay, Mustangs, that's all for this little tutorial. Peace out.